Do you want to learn how to create professional designs like this, like this, like this, and even like this, all using just AI and your smartphone? Then make sure to watch this video. So in this video, we are going to be using the ChatGPT app where you learn how to create simple designs. So let's take note of the prompt formula. The prompt formula is that's the AI prompt formula you use in creating a design or giving a instruction to AI. So the first thing you should note is the role. Second is the task. The third is the context. Fourth is the format. Fifth is the tone or style. So let's say tone. So these are the 5 things you should take note when giving an instruction to AI. I'll delete it after giving this instruction. So it's just to guide us when giving our instruction. So the role, which is what you want AI to act as. So in this case, you want AI to act as both as a prompt engineer. A prompt engineer is someone who creates prompts, you understand? Who creates prompts or instructions. So as a professional prompt engineer and as a graphic designer as well. So let's begin. Act as a professional prompt engineer and graphic designer. So now we have given the role. The task is what you want AI to do. So provide a prompt for a graphic design agency flyer. So now this is the task, right? Now the context is the background details of the instruction are giving AI. So here the background details is that okay, it should use brand colors, brand colors, black, um, gold, and white. So these are the brand colors I wanted to use in the design. Okay, and it should have the contact details as 0209925302 and email, let's see, easy origin to 2026 at gmail.com. Okay, and then we have given the context now for the format. So the format can be you want a single paragraph format, double paragraph format, in a script format, dialogue format. So this is where you make mention of it. So you want it should be in a paragraph, a single paragraph format. It should be in a single paragraph format. And then finally the tone or style. So that's saying should it be friendly, should it be friendly, simple, professional. Yeah, you should make mention of that here. It should be simple and professional. Okay. Now let's delete the prompts, the guidance from here. So we just needed that to guide us as you are providing the prompt. Okay, so then generate. Tap on the arrow button. Okay. You okay, this is the prompt. Then we just copy it. Then we come to the image section of ChatGPT, which is the menu here. Tap on it, tap on images. We tap here. So for those who didn't see, I tapped on this image sign over here, and then Okay, first, if you want to add an image to it, let's see an image of yourself to the design, then you upload it, then you put in the prompt that you copied, then tap on the arrow, then you wait for AI to create your design for you. Now there are also some changes that ChatGPT has made or updated in their platform that I'll also be showing in this video after it's done creating. So the changes are you can give a precise aspect ratio of the design. So the aspect ratio is that should it be 1 by 1? 1 by 1 is when both the length and the breadth, the size of the design is the same size. The length and the breadth, they are the same size. And then should it be 16 by 9? That's YouTube size images. And should it be 16 by 9? So this exactly was more of a 16 by 9 image. You understand? So now it has created a professional image for us. So first, in case you want to change it to any other aspect ratio, you tap on edit and choose the aspect, change aspect ratio. So you can make it 1 by 1, like I said, which is a square, landscape 5 by 4, 9 by 16. So let's see if I'm changing to the 5 by 4, then it would adjust it. So I tapped on the 5 by 4 and to adjust the image to the 5 by 4 aspect ratio if I wanted that. So if you want any other, then you go and select the one you would have wanted instead. Okay, so when this is done uploading or done generating by ChatGPT, and I'll also show you how to a logo add a logo to the design. In case, like for this particular design AI generated, this is not the logo of the business. This is not the logo of the business. So I would show you how to change the logo in case same happens to you. Show you how to change the logo. Okay, so it's done uploading. Okay, see, now I changed it to the aspect ratio I chose. So you can also adjust it to any aspect ratio, 16 by 9, 1 by 1, any other image size you want your design to be. Now, to show you how to add your logo to it, at first you would have tapped on this and there will be an option to blend photo, but now it's not there. So what you should do is that you can just simply continue it in your conversation here, so you can add the photo of the the logo you want to add. So you add it here, then you tell ChatGPT professionally only change, to be specific, only change the logo, the easy origin logo at the top, the top left corner of the design with this uploaded logo image, and strictly do not change anything else about the design. Okay, so sometimes it changes other things about design, so make sure you take note of this so that doesn't happen. Tap on the arrow button. Okay, so let's wait for it to generate. Okay, so now the image is done generating, and look at how it's perfectly changed the logo from the previous one to the current one. Now this is perfectly done by AI. So make sure you follow the guidelines given to properly also create your designs as well.